Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JNUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume, and good, solid, well above average volume once again. But yeah, to think that not that long ago, this thing was down here around 350. Now all of a sudden it's all the way up here into the fives again. Very, very impressive movement, and updates certainly need to be done. First, I'm going to do some house cleaning, just get rid of that line. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. The first update, though, that does need to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So down here, one of the newer areas of support, but because today was such a big movement, what I'm going to do is go ahead and just adjust this level up here to the $5 mark and call that, what I would, define as the ideal level of support. Meaning, if you're asked, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Well, ideally, if the price can stay above 5, that would be a great sign of power. With that being said, don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below 5, then that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would be a great sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there is how I'm defining, quote unquote, the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 5 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, key level that really stands out to me now going forward. So let's get this changed to red for resistance, but from the resistance side of things, right here at the 575 mark, and if that can be broken, then given this is one of these leverage ETFs, I think definitely within striking distance would then be up there right around $6.25. So overall, nice movement today. Let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.